Okay. Kilo Hotel 6, India Delta X-ray. Kilo Hotel 6, India Delta X-ray. Aaron from Y Islands. Good evening there to you, Aaron. Good morning from South Africa. Zulu Sierra 5 Hotel Lima. And how are you and the family there, Aaron? Good to meet you here on the 10 meter. I'm running old 738 ICOM this morning. And we're running barefoot 100 watts into the 2-element Yagi there. And how are you, Aaron? It's been a week or two or so. I'm making a video. Hope you're making a video there, Aaron. Kilo Hotel 6, India Delta X-ray. Zulu Sierra 5 Hotel Lima. Okay there, Aaron. Kilo Hotel 6, India Delta X-ray, ZH5 Hotel Lima returning. Thanks for the contact there, Aaron. I'm going to send you the video. I'll send you the video. It was really a surprise getting you here on a 10 meter band there, Aaron. It was really a surprise, my friend, but always a pleasure speaking to you there. And Bernard is in, Bernard, you know, Bernard from Australia, 457. He flew over to Y Islands yesterday. He flew over. So I don't know where about he is in Y Islands, but he's going to WhatsApp me. And then, I also see that plane accident in Brazil yesterday. What? Yeah, shame. That's bad, huh? I saw that plane accident also. It's really bad what happened in Brazil yesterday there. So nice talking to you on 10 meter there, Aaron. Kilo Hotel 6, India Delta X-ray. This is ZS5 HL, South Africa. Aloha, my friend. Kilo Hotel 6, India Delta X-ray, ZS5 HL returning, and we're running 100 watts into my old 738 ICOM. I'll show you in a video there, the old ICOM 738 there. Cheers, my friend. Nice talking to you on 10 meters there, Aaron. Always a pleasure. Kilo Hotel 6, India Delta X-ray, ZS5 Hotel Lima. 73 is Aaron. To you and the family. God bless. Bye-bye.